Hello everyone, how are you doing? Big Boss here. And another lesson about the candle language. Understanding the market using candles. That is the first step you should learn as a trader. Remember, as a trader or as a beginner or as an advanced trader, one thing we can all agree is when you open the forex chart, first thing you see, it's not price, it's not time. First thing you're seeing is candles. So, 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 this is my chart, and what you are seeing there are candles. Now, relax now. Sit down and listen. Sit down and listen. I want to put something in your head about candles. You know, I see people trying to put this, oh, this is a swing, this is a 4 time frame I'm in. But now, oh, someone is scared. Oh, this is a 4 time frame. Hey, and I'm a day trader. How do I analyze the market? How will a 4 chart help me? And I see a lot of shit happening online. You are analyzing the 4-hour chart. Let's say you are trading this 4-hour candle, this one. This was date 17 July 2026. You want to trade this 4-hour candle. It's high, it's low. That is what you want to predict. Basically, you should be, this was a selling 4-hour candle. So if you took any buy trade here, unless it was a scalp, you lost the trade. So the best entry was the highest point, 4002.50. That was the highest point where you are supposed to enter, sell inside those 4-hour candle, that 4-hour candle. So you don't need to get exact high 4002.50. No. What if you just enter at exactly 4000, 4000? You enter there. Stop loss 30 pips above your end. There is no way you are going to lose money. Or you just use the first 10 minutes of this 4-hour candle, because I'm very sure a 4-hour candle like this, it opened and the first 10 minutes it formed this week. So its high was formed within the first 10 minutes. I haven't even checked. So let me go to 12:00, 17, date 17. So I'll click a 1 minute chart here, and this is 17, 12:00. I might be wrong, though. Let's go and check. Sasita, when the 12:00 candle opened where? The 12:00 opened here. It opened the first 10 minutes. Where's the first 10 minutes? Here. So I will mark the high of the first 10 minutes. It was there. The high of the first 10 minutes of this 4-hour candle, this one, This is a selling 4 hour candle. Now check. I don't know why they have been, but you can see where it opened. The first 10 minutes it rolled to the upside and it's high. Now this was a manipulation move, this one too, till here. This was a manipulation move, and you can see the high of the first 10 minutes after this manipulation. This one, market was try to break first 10 minutes, got down, try to break it, taken down, try to break it, been taken down, try to break it, taken down. Even this big move here, push again to the high of the first 10 minutes, and then boom, selling the market. So that is the power of the high of the first 10 minutes of a selling 4 hour candle. If a 4 hour candle is nicely selling, the first 10 minutes are very key. Okay, see here, this was a selling 4 hour candle. What about this? 1600. This is a buying. This is a buying 4 hour chart. Let's go and check what happened the first 10 minutes. So because it's buying it's a buying 4 hour candle, the low which will be formed the first 10 minutes is what we are focusing on. Come here, the first 10 minutes, 1600. I have this. So the low which is formed the first 10 minutes is down here. This low. You can see it was never violated. So if you just took your buy anywhere here and you're like the next 4 candle is buying, your stop loss should be slightly below the low of the first 10 minutes of that 4 hour candle. That is not what I was going to teach. Now come here now. There is something I want to teach you. Something very important. Understanding. Oh guys, sorry. Just give me a bit. Just a bit. I want to mark something in the chat. I should be trading actually when I'm teaching you. Just a bit. I want to analyze the market in a few. Give me like 5 minutes. I mark this level so that when I'm analyzing, we are also trading together. So I will teach with this chart, this and this. So let me open a new chart here, and then I will do this, and then market is skyrocketing and I'm not inside. Actually, you guys may find this trade. So I want to do something real quick. Analyze the market. May I just analyze the market 0.90. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. 20. 23. 95.88. 23. There we go. Just a little bit. Where is the forward? Then I will use this for my candle. And today market seems so bullish. Let me find that range. 4051.73 minus 40.18. Remember I taught you how to find the range, high minus low. That is the range. 5 2. So 4051.73, 4018.52. So I'm getting rs 33.21, then er estimated range, implied volatility, what's that, 2388, and then because this is a buying candle, we are adding from the opening price, which is 4024.96. I'm getting 40 Z price, I'm getting 40.89, and then Z price then, so the maximum buying level for the day will be Z price plus 33. I by 0.58 4052. Kaa hiyo market imebreak 4052, mjue mmenikosea sana, because I won't trade today. The trade will have left me. Isha break. Iki break hiyo 4052, it was supposed to keep buying. 4052 actually. I can click more buys actually. I can enter more buys there. Sijaacha sana hata. Bye bye. Achaangalia ka ita retraced. But ishaniacha. Stupid. 4052 point. Sasa hii ni gani sasa? $40.52.15. That is where the daily breakout will for 15. 352 hapo. Honestly. 352.15. Sasa daily breakout isha happen. Ime happen hapo. Yeah, here. So that break, kiki break your level, I was supposed to take a buy immediately. I don't know if kutakuwa na any stupid retracement anytime soon. Nikisha break inakwanga ime break, kunanga 4054.59 ndio the bank zero banking level. Let me check. But already hata inanisaidia na nini na market isha break to the upside. 4054.9, yeah, it's very right. So let me mark this kama my red zone. Kisha break when the market has already broken the maximum buying point of the day. That means if I was not making this stupid video, I was supposed to have taken this buy here. Yeah, not a stupid video. Like I was not making this teaching. Sorry, I just like saying stupid things. Yeah, just came out accidentally. So this is what I was supposed break. Is not supposed to come back again to this line, because here is where the banks have entered a lot of entries. So you can buy anywhere here and you won't have a lot of drawdown. Trust me. 4054. Market will keep buying. I'm pretty sure of that. That one I'm very sure of. And now you guys, I'm distracted. I need to put another chart for gold. No. Let me use this one. Let me turn this to 1 minute chart. And then I want to plot the banking system now. Njitanipatia entries 4054. market just lavishly without even thinking. 254.9. But I'm sure we are buying. Today we are buying. We are buying like hell. Just buy gold and chill. As long as we shall break, so respect a gold. Let me talk to my Telegram guys. Just buy and chill. What's happening right currently? Yeah, you should today. Today just buy gold and chill. Zero pressure, man. Today. Today just buy gold and chill. Or lie. Tell me you're alright. No story. As long as market is above maximum buying point, no story. And that is what I will use to for my re-entries and stuff. Will it come back to this level? 40.52. I've already taken buys. And I think and now I'm distracted. I was teaching you and now I'm distracted. Now this is the problem of teaching you when you want to see my WhatsApp? Talk. When I'm distracted. Let's wait and see. I have level 4068 there. If it breaks there, I will just tell God, thank you for giving me a good life. Yeah, because we are going up like crazy. Unless they will want to retest that level again. I don't know. And me, am I tired or should I continue with the lesson? Okay. Continue with the lesson. Now open here. Now this is a 4-hour chart. Now I want to give you knowledge now. You start with the monthly time frame. Oh, what am I doing with monthly time frame? No. Relax, nikupange. Monthly time frame is not used for entries. If you want to know if a person knows what forex is, he has some deeper understanding of the monthly time frame. I'm not asking you to go and mark zones on the hourly time frame, because if you are a day trader, there is no fucking way that market can jump to previous month high. So, or previous month low. No. Something like that is not going to happen. So what I want you to do is Just be patient and try to understand. I'm teaching you something now. I'm teaching you the, the logic behind the market, the low and the high of the monthly time frame. I'm not telling you to go and trade them. No. Be aware the previous month its high was 40.60. Its low was 39.80. Why am I saying that? Because they are high speed zones. When a monthly low is tapped and you are in a 1 minute chart, bro, the kind of volatility you're going to experience in the next 10 minutes, it's crazy. We call them high speed zones. Previous year high and previous year low is the highest speed zone in the market. But you're not aware. Like the highest previous year, which was 2025, its highest point was here. Its highest point for last year was 45.49.79. That is the highest speed level in the market. As we are talking, is the highest speed level. Now you go down to the monthly time frame. It's high, it's low. If market taps there in 1 minute chart, look time, it has tapped the previous low of previous month. It has tapped the previous month low or high within the first 10 minutes of the 5 p.m. candle or the 8 a.m. candle. What I want you to do is just wait for the first 10 minutes and use the low that first 10 minutes of that 1 hour candle you are in to sniper a big entry. Because now get out of the monthly time frame. Now you go to the previous week low and high. Its high is low is the place where the if market taps there, it will alter the market speed. Market will move with high speed if it taps previous month candle high or like previous week high or low. We will experience a high speed market. I haven't told you to use that for entries. No. I have just told you use them for speed altercation to avoid consolidation. If market is consolidating, look the nearest high speed zone. Where's the previous month high and low? Market is most of the time it will take weeks and weeks to go there. So which is the nearest? Weekly low, weekly high. That is the nearest speed zone. So you are looking there. So market is inside a low of a week, has tapped a low of a weekly candle, previous week candle. Meaning market is ready to alter speed. So, and speed alteration inside weekly highs and low, there is no consolidation which will ever happen there. No consolidation which is going to happen there. Okay. Now listen. If it has tapped previous week high or low, I kid you not, there is no stupid consolidation which is going to happen there. Market is ready to move with high speed. Now, get out of the weekly time frame. The higher the time frame you are in a weekly low has been tapped, you are in 1 minute time frame, you are like, okay, market is ready to alter speed. We call them high speed zones. From there you go to the daily time frame. Most of the time, the daily time frames, highs and lows, will be tapped. And if they will be tapped, that means previous day low and high, we call them the high speed zones. So if the market taps that price level, speed alteration, boom. If previous day high and low has been, let's say today, let's say previous day low was 40.50. It has been taken out the first 10 minutes of a 4-hour candle open or a 1-hour candle open. Please, its highest point will not be violated. Mark that high and just watch price there. And first you have to go in the chart and see it. And the last speed zone is the 4-hour chart. The previous 4 candle high and low. If market is tapping there, market speed is altered. There is no consolidation which is supposed to be happening there. Where is the consolidation of the market happens? Do you know? Just go teach yourself. Just go teach yourself. Just go teach yourself that. Teach yourself that. Teach yourself that. Teach yourself that. Just know how to use the speed points. High, low, just tapped there. What time? Which minutes in the lower time frame? Be on 1 minute time frame. That is the market. Everything is made in the 1 minute time frame. You look okay. You're like okay. This is the next 4 candle. Now this one. You see a buying market like this. You're like, oh, if I'm predicting the next 4 candle will be a buy, then my entry should be within the first 10 minutes of that 4 candle open, and my stop loss should be below the first 10 minutes of that 4 candle. If I lose, good. I have backtested it. With the time, it makes money. That is what I want to see. And then now from there, understand that is the magic, the logic of the market, the candle logic. Now start using time and price. Now start calculating. If market this taps this speed zone, okay, where am I expecting it? Where is the maximum buying level? Where is the minimum? Where is the maximum selling level? Where is the zero level? Where is this banking points? Where the banks are going to enter? Okay, where are the banks going to take out money? Where are they going to add money? That is what we should be thinking like a trader. Are you getting that? I don't think you're getting it, guys. So in the meantime, I'm just chilled. I want to check how the market will do. So I can just leave and I think today we'll just be focusing on level maximum buy point. That is how you trade it. If it's broken, this price level 40.52. Just put your eyes there. So this move we may repeat, but there is always tomorrow. We can always make money. Okay, now see you when you see me. Bye.